So what were the key business outcomes that that are being delivered through the use of Launchpad or the new platform?
Yeah. Okay. So look at like for a lot of organizations, leveraging AI capability is paramount. And so we've been able to quickly enable third-party AI product integrations. First was a customer, like a very complex actually, customer segmentation. And now we're in the process of completing a proactive customer retention model. So in that context, we've moved away from the stale sort of SSRS reporting and enabled a lot more Power BI style analytics as we migrate workloads off the heritage systems and into the new RESIMAC data hub that is based on the Launchpad. And so now we're focused on developing machine learning workloads in-house that will run and continuously improve out of the new platform.